Hey everyone, Richard here, and today we got another Pokemon opening. I must just suddenly have good luck with this set because I was searching on Amazon and I found 8 blister packs for 20 bucks, which is less than $3 a pack, so I couldn't really pass on it. So I figured I'd buy them and open them. So I'm going to do that. I'll probably do a speed up or something while I'm opening them, and then we'll do some pack openings. Alright, here we go. 8 packs. Let's go ahead and open them. So I'm still trying to complete this set, but other than that, no real expectations with this. I still need quite a few commons and uncommons. So we got Leaf Energy, Combuskin, Lysia, Beast Ball, Baltoy, Sneasel, Onix, Torchic, Electrike, Torkoal Reverse, and Swampert Rare. Next pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Switch, Grovyle, Lantern, Phanpy, Clamperl, Seedot, Meditite, Wingull, Baltoy Reverse. I've gotten so many Baltoy Reverses. But yeah. And a secret rare Rainbow Brush. Wow. I think this is actually the first secret rare I've ever pulled. So just look at that. Was not expecting that pull. Wow. Next pack. If I can get it out of there. Sorry about the dogs. Probably gonna cut right here. Or maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll cut after this pack. Fighting Energy, Sheldon, Beast Ball, Rainbow Brush, Trico, Whismur, Bagon, Mudkip, Shuppet, Vigoroth Reverse, and a Wailord. Alright, I'm going to cut right here until those dogs quiet down. Alright, we're back. So hopefully it'll be quieter now. Let's just get back into it. One, 2, 3, 4. We got Fire Energy, Tropius, Marshtomp, Solrock, Torchic, Cacnea, Gulpin, Chinchou, Meditite, Wingull Reverse, and a Kartana regular rare. Next pack. I think that was halfway through. So we got 4 more to go. One day I'll learn how to open these without struggling. Today's not that day, though. One, 2, 3, 4. So Leaf Energy, Weepinbell, the Masked Royal, Oricorio, Clampearl, Phanpy, Bellsprout, Bagon, Onyx, Beast Ball Reverse, and a Delmise regular rare. Hopefully we can get at least one more pull. But I mean, we already got a secret rare. I don't know how much I can really ask for. One, two, three, four. Fairy Energy, Pupitar, Fisherman, Super Scoop Up, Chinchou, Spoink, Wingull, Seedot, Electrike, Onyx Reverse, Great Vintage Art, and a Sceptile regular rare. And my stack is falling over, so let's fix that real quick. Alright, 2 more packs. Crossing my fingers for one more pull. One, two, three, four. Got Lightning Energy, Donphan, Vigoroth, Nuzleaf, Torchic, Rattata, Skitty, Seedot, Lotad, Cacturn Reverse, and Deoxys regular rare. Alright, last pack. We need some last pack magic. Ratio-wise, we haven't done too well, but oh well. One, two, three, four. Lightning Energy, Kecleon, TV Reporter, Life Herb, Sneasel, Shuppet, Whismur, Gulpin, Trico, Torchic Reverse, and Exploud regular rare. So only one pull, but an amazing pull, so I can't complain too much. Secret rare. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely going to fill out my binder a little bit more with these. So take care, everyone.